Hey, she say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me.
Welcome back, CJers. We're back with a brand new video. Oh, so we have a brand new video again. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing the Play-Doh challenge. Guys, don't excuse these cheap Play-Dohs because
we just bought them from the 99-cent store.
Because I came up with the video ideas and there is no real Play-Doh around here unless you go to like Toys R Us or somewhere. So what we're going to do is that we also got these little craft dies. You know, that's the only things you'll find in the 99-cent store to do work. So what we're doing is that I'm gonna flip the thing to you, and then the kind of real picture will be in the side, right?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
So I have like 4 pictures, and the first one we're going to start with is this Hello Kitty. We're like starting with like simple ones. So.
And then we'll get to like harder ones. For Rika, we're basically gonna. This video is gonna be about who can make like
the best design.
Yeah, the better design, and instead of both of us, we're gonna see the picture, and we're gonna try to do it with the Play-Doh that we have, and to see which one's better.
We have to do it in at least how many minutes?
A minute.
Not a minute, like 2 minutes. Or we don't have a minute, because so we can actually see who's artistic. You get it?
No, put it at a max 2 minutes, cause then. For example, if we take OD long, we're gonna take like we're gonna like waste our time and just.
But you can like speed it when we're like working.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So we're not gonna take we're not gonna have a specific time. We're just gonna speed through while we work. Okay. So that's our first picture. Our first picture will be right here. It will be the Hello Kitty one. Whoever comes up with the better picture will get a point, and a point will be right here. It will change every time it goes. So make sure.
But before we get started, I want everybody to like literally smash that like button. Please tell all your friends. So subscribe to our channel. Anybody that y'all know, please subscribe to our channel.
We almost in the road to 300 so,
subscribers.
Yes, so that's that. So we're gonna get started. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Leave positive comments down below, no negative, because we're not gonna answer. You're not gonna get our attention. Let's start it. So the first one is the Hello Kitty. So we have this white one here, and it's like a little bit of.
We're gonna basically split the Play-Doh half.
Yes,
because we don't have enough.
We don't have enough because plus we thought these were big because it looked big on the thing. So
that does not look like white.
Well, it is white. It's the bootleg Play-Doh, so
sounds good though.
Alright, guys. So we're not trying to get messy here.
Let me make a bow.
Here.
Alright. So from here we're gonna basically split the
thing, and the red there's enough because it's just like a little bowl. So we're just gonna have it open to whoever's ready, and then we need black and we need yellow. So we're going to have the colors out here, the ones that we actually really need. So
we need yellow, black, white, and red.
Yes, so they're here. And then he has the white, so that's that. And I'm going to open these.
There's the white.
So you know how Hello Kitty has black eyes? We're just going to get like.
Should I take everything out, or we're just gonna chip like some because we're only doing the nose? Should I make the whole thing to a ball?
You have to.
Should I make everything to the ball?
No, we have to create it ourselves.
No, but I'm making everything on our ball, like a ball. Or we're just gonna put our finger and take a little bit.
Yeah, we're just gonna put our finger and take a little bit.
So we just have to wait.
So I'm choosing guys my eyes right now. Oh shit. I'm sorry for my language.
Look, I got the ball.
So here you can get your 2 eyes colors.
So the color I'm gonna get.
No, I got the wrong color.
What color you want?
The little pink one. Find the pink one right here. I want the pink one.
Alright
guys, so now I'm gonna break this in half.
I want it to have clear eyes.
So here we both have half.
You know what?
Once he's ready, we'll get started. So we're gonna make this as fair enough because to be honest, I'm whack at art. So you got the bigger eyes?
No.
Yes, you do.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna look at the picture. It's
oh.
The computer is right there. And the picture you guys see right here, so don't copy me. We should have to put like something in the middle.
No.
Yes, we should. Talking about that, we should. Cause he looks.
Nah. Let's make it fair. Let's make it fair. Let's just do our own design.
Guys, if you see him looking at mine, comment down below, okay? Cause I know I've been with him for years and I know how he is.
Look. She just copied my design. My method. You just copied my method.
Alright, so I won't use your method. But mine will still come out better, trust me.
Alright, I will see about that.
Guys, you're going to see who comes out better. looking cute. Stop looking.
I'm not doing nothing.
Okay, the red is type whack. Está como like mojado.
No, but just do it. Just do it.
Okay, the red is like. But we're gonna mix the colors, and we need the same colors for the next pictures.
Do we need white?
I don't know, but we didn't need red. I don't know, guys, what we're going to do, but we'll find the solution. Trust me.
Alright, we're trying our best.
Stop, yo, guys, right?
Nah,
he looked
I did not even look.
He's a tramposo one.
Alright, so
Look, babe, just.
if I do it better, please comment down below our names.
Who you guys think did better at the end of the video? Because
And please be honest.
they're all gonna vote for me, you know that.
No, they're going for me. They'll be like, oh my god, Christian did better.
Babe, I think we need like paper. Yeah, we need like paper.
No, we don't.
Because look, touch this one if you're up to that part. Alright, guys, I'm trying to do it like very cute and cute. All of these are like mojado.
Alright, so we're gonna get started.
We got started. Fuck you talking about?
Alright.
Stop using my method. Guys,
What?
I know he's. Oh my god, he's so cute.
Sorry, the firefighters are just coming right now. I think somebody just got burned.
If you guys get to know Christian, he's actually a very disrespectful boy.
There.
It has to come out like that. Yours looks like a fucking cat.
No, why are you lying? It doesn't have to be. That's why it's called
Challenge.
Like, yeah, because it has to come out the way.
Well, I'm saying that mine looks better.
Mine looks better. What do you mean?
Fuck you talking about? Mine's is better.
Watch. Everybody's gonna comment mine. Watch.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Nope. It's Team Jessica all the way.
I got it. The next one. Let me get a little bit of black. I'm just doing the last whisker. This whisker is too small.
Tell me now they're like wet. The white one is like the only. Right or wrong?
Oh.
Doesn't matter, guys. We're gonna make it work. Disrespect.
Alright, so after we're like done, I'm gonna be putting since our camera is like we have it connected to the tripod. I'm gonna be like getting the tripod. I'm done.
Guys, I'm done. Mine is cute.
No, mine looks better.
No, it doesn't.
Alright, so
Christian, if you put it here, that one, it looks almost alike.
Alright, so I'm gonna get the tripod right now.
Sorry, guys, if he did that drop.
Alright, guys, so we currently have to make it look like that. So
Mine's is, I'm saying mine.
this is how mine's look. So if y'all guys like that, please comment down below my name. That look way valid.
No, it doesn't.
Or if y'all guys think this one is good,
Yes!
please comment down below.
Team Jessica all the way.
That one or this one?
Comment down below.
Who you think? I'm sorry, his bow didn't hit the bow. I don't know what happened to the bow, but something happened to the bow. And this Play-Doh didn't want to work right. So I'm gonna be placing the camera. So then we're gonna be going to our second design.
So we're going to
look for that.
Look at guys, look at mine. Try to show some love to this, please.
Nah, that doesn't look better. This one looks better. Alright, so we're gonna be catching you
All
with
right,
our
guys.
next design.
Look
so
at before you guys over there. Go over there. This is going to be our next challenge. Try to
next
create
one.
an apple with whatever an apple looking like a pumpkin.
We'll
So-
build that one.
So let's.
That will be our next design. So I'll catch you there.
So we're here. Now we're going to do the image right here, and he showed you already. So it's like an apple pumpkin.
With like eyes and like a smile. But we
Yeah,
don't
so
have the smile. But we
No,
have the eyes.
We could create the smile.
Oh, we could create the smile.
So now, this is like he could do his design and I'm gonna do my design. So we'll get to it. Let's continue.
I knew mine's the Hello Kitty already win, so I hope all you guys write my name down below.
Oh, you guys.
We're going to the Apple one. Apple. Yo. Just wait on it, guys. We're gonna reveal it. How ours look.
Alright, I'm done.
Alright, place it down. Place it down. Place it down. Place it down.
Looks wavy.
Alright, place it down. Place it down. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna be grabbing the
Look,
tripod
even
again.
my leaf looks professional.
Alright, I'm gonna grab my tripod again. Alright, guys. So it was supposed to be like that design.
It could have been any colors because we don't have all that.
That's mine.
Look, I'm gonna give it a little.
Give it a little turn.
Yeah, girl.
Alright, so sorry it has a third eye. I don't know why. I don't know what happened, but it just got a third eye.
Okay.
And with that nice ass smile. So if y'all like mine, please comment down my name.
Look, guys.
Ta-da!
So this is mine. It got the little blue eyes, that black smile,
He got like
the little tongue. Look, that professional leaf.
he got a deformed face.
No,
Look, he got
doesn't.
some cuts over there in the side.
It's an apple. But you guys know.
It was
look at them
supposed to be
together.
like that. They're brothers.
They're brothers, but mine looks very cute.
These are the ones we recently did. That was supposed to be the Hello Kitty, and we had to do like some apples.
So this side is mine and this side is his.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we're gonna be
show
showing
you
you
guys
guys our next.
the third one.
The next one is
A snowman.
a snowman.
We're gonna do different color snowmen.
If y'all can't see it, that we're trying to do that snowman. So I'll catch you on my next one. Alright guys, so I had to stop by because look, it's literally like snowing right now.
It looks so beautiful.
It looks way beautiful. Sorry guys, I didn't be like, why the fuck are you recording us? But we had to stop by because it's really snowing, so we're gonna catch you back in our design.
So we're here in our next design. Our next design is a snowman. So.
But we don't have that much white.
I mean, I'm not using white. I'm using blue.
So I'm gonna make a mini small snowman.
So
Using white.
Look, baby, you have another color over there.
The yellow?
The red one. Try to make it work.
I got it. Please do not copy my thinking. So mine's is gonna be a colorful snowman.
Leave me some black because I need some.
Yeah, there's OG black. Guys, wait. The body has to be bigger than the head, right?
Yeah.
I got you.
Get the fuck off me. I'm not trying to.
I'm done.
Christian, you're gonna make my snowman fall.
Yo, look. Yo, look. Oh, nah.
This red one really had to fuck my thing up. Hey, where's my eye? There I go. Guys, we're working on it. Where did my eye go? Right here.
That hat has a bunch of colors.
Guys, excuse the colors because we're all working.
Oh, that one actually looks valid, but still, mine's is winning. Oh, it looks nice. You done?
No.
Look at mine. Mine looks wavy. Yo. I'm done.
Alright, I'm done.
Yeah. So, our snowman was supposed to look like him. Not basically him, but our own. So, be prepared. And
That's Christian. That's Christian.
that's mine. My son got 3 eyes. I don't know why. Check him out. He about to perform a little dance. Look. Okay. And here we go with hers. Please do not get scared.
Do
But
you
it's there.
want to be a snowman?
Put it on, put it on.
Oh, shit, sorry. Oh, put it
So,
down.
what's his name?
His name is Bob. I
Can
welcome you guys, Bob.
Can he meet and greet with my son?
Yeah.
My son about to clap his cheeks.
Mwah.
Oh.
I'm out. Peace.
Bye.
Oh my god. Look, Christian, stop. My look adorable. This looks adorable, guys. Tell me.
Oh, she just knocked his ear out.
I'm sorry.
Can you please? Oh, in his head.
I'm sorry.
Alright, so we're about to go to the lobby.
Guys, tell me not. Wait. Tell me not. His looks like those alien ones.
We're gonna go back to our lobby and back
This is
to where.
I'm not gonna lie. This is the one that. Wait.
Hello, Kitty. Say hello to my apples. And there we go with Mr. Snowman, Snowman Jr. and Papa Snowman. So
Alright,
we're
guys,
gonna
so
be catching you when
the
we
outro.
close this video.
Alright.
Peace. 3.
Hi guys.
We're back.
We're back. So first let's go to his. So we see his Hello Kitty.
I'm gonna present you my snowman,
These are our
my
NPCs.
apple, and my mean Hello Kitty. So if y'all guys like any of mine, please comment below, and we're gonna go with hers.
Alright. So here we go with my snowman. It has the arms.
Give it a turn.
Black arms. He has like black little buttons. His red scarf. His blue eyes. His black little nose. So here you go. He's fat and tall. So that's that. My apple. He is green. Has a blue leaf. You're just jealous.
I'm sorry, his eye fell. I mean, his head fell.
I hate jealous people.
Alright, go. We could go now. Keep presenting.
So this is my green apple. My green apple with his blue eyes, his black smile, and his red tongue popping out. You know. And then we have
The amazing
best
Hello Kitty.
one, the amazing Hello Kitty, guys. You cannot lie. Zoom into this, please. Zoom to it. So beautiful.
So those
guys,
are three
designs that we got to make. We only made 3 because of the amount of time.
Yeah, it's probably long and plus we
But it
didn't
was
have enough
entertaining. We got entertained. So guys, make sure to comment down below who won. But comment down below who won, because the loser will have to go drop himself in cold water in the tub. Go in with cold water in the tub with ice.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright? So comment down below and we will be doing that our next video, whoever comments. Just say Jessica, Christian, whoever won, just write their name please. And whoever loses, they'll get to go to the cold tub with ice. And that will be in our next video. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like we always say, we'll be back with more videos. Peace.